So today, when we're going to try to repair something that the city of Wimberley screwed up big time when they resurfaced this road and the entrance to our RV park, and caused all these potholes and stuff. So we're gonna use this old QPR quality pavement repair. We'll see how that goes. So last year in front of the store we used that Asphalt, I think it's called, and it was like $70 a bucket. This stuff was only, I think it was 20 or something like that at Lowe's. So we'll see how it works and if it lasts. So supposedly all you need is a bag of this and a tamper, and it should do the trick. Let's see. I'm gonna follow the instructions for once. Got my helper Ace out here. So now I just get down to tamping, you heard, and I think we're going to have to use 2 or 3 bags, but we'll see. This stuff supposedly comes pre-wet. The other one, you have to add water to it, but this one is already damp. See, definitely gonna be 2 or 3 bags. Ace, what do you think? Think it's gonna work? Go on bag number 2. Got it, Acer? Come on. You want to help? That's some BS that city or county did that. But they don't care about the little guys. Want to make it nicer for the tenants when they pull in here. They don't have to go in this big old county pothole, you know what I mean? Let's see. I think it's gonna have to be 3 bags. November in Texas is probably like summer anywhere else. Get a workout for this old fool. All right, let me get the third bag. God darn it. All right. So here is bag number 3. Put it down in this area. These are 50-pound bags, and they're only, I think they're 20 bucks, around 20 bucks, whatever. Not that much. But there's 3 of them, so that's 60 bucks for this pothole right here, which it was a decent size. All right. It's sticky. I guess gloves are a thing, huh? And supposedly, it says you can, traffic can use it immediately after putting it on. But we'll see. So I didn't use all of that bag. Come on, Ace, stay over here. You want to stay in the shade, huh? I wish this was in the shade. But it probably wouldn't sit as well. I'm a tamping fool. You heard? Oh, shit. All right, so that's what it looks like when it's filled in. And they say you can have traffic, but I'm gonna go ahead and block this entrance with the old work truck. Better safe than sorry. And I'll let you know in a day or two how it's holding up. So we'll see. But I mean, there's 2 entrances into our park, so I hope our tenants don't get perturbed. But it is what it is. C'est la vie. Thanks to Hays County for screwing us up. And now I'm gonna have to start working on all these out here that they. I was out here walking Ace and my other dog when they did it, and I looked at the guy driving the 18-wheeler, and I was like, what? He was backing into this entrance, and he was dragging this, some kind of skid or lift or whatever. He was dragging it on the ground, and it just went right into made them big holes right there. And I looked at him, I said, what are you doing? And obviously they don't give a shit, so screw Hays County is all I can say. Come on. Well, actually, it's not Hays County, it's the Hays County workers. So, but anyway, beautiful day here. It's too nice to be negativo. So hope y'all have a good one. Y'all keep on keeping on, be cool.